Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda CRV taillight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and your replacement bulbs. Make sure your CRV is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. Now, open the tailgate and look for the two screws securing the tail light assembly on the side of the vehicle. These are usually visible and easy to access. Once you've located the screws, use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of them. After the screws are out, the tail light assembly might feel a bit snug. Gently pull the entire assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It's held in by a couple of alignment pins, so a firm, steady pull should release it. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. With the assembly free, you'll see the bulb sockets. Identify the one for the tail light you're replacing. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and pull it out. Now, simply pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Take your new bulb and push it firmly into the socket until it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. Now, it's time to put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place. Align the tail light assembly's pins with the holes on the vehicle body and gently push it back until it sits flush. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two screws you removed earlier. Test your new tail light to confirm it's working properly. You've successfully changed your CRV's tail light.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.